Okay, the issue here is the way you've expanded the brackets there. The x times x is x squared, that's good. Then the x times minus 3x to the minus 1. Let me just write that out. Now we could think of this as x is like a power 1 there. So multiplying these two things together, I will add the powers. So 1 plus minus 1 will be 0. So I'll have x to the power 0 times minus 3. X to the power 0 is just 1. So minus 3 times 1 is minus 3. That's one way of thinking of it. Alternatively, remember that the minus 3x to the minus 1, that means the same thing as minus 3 over x. And you can see here when I multiply these together, the x's cancel out. And so I will just get minus 3. So either way of thinking about it, the x times minus 3 over x should be minus 3 here. Then the minus 3x to the minus 1 times x, again, that will just be minus 3. And then we've got the minus 3x to the minus 1 times minus 3x to the minus 1, which you're right is plus 9, but the x power, again, if we think about this in a couple of different ways, obviously the minus 3 times the minus 3 is 9. If we add those powers together, the minus 1 plus minus 1 is minus 2. So this power here should have been minus 2. Or alternatively, remember that it's like saying minus 3 over x times minus 3 over x, which gives plus 9 over x squared, which is obviously the same thing as 9x to the minus 2. Anyway, so that's how the bracket should have been expanded. So when it comes to what to integrate here, we should be integrating x squared minus 6 plus 9x to the minus 2. That's what we should be integrating here. The rest of your method is perfectly good and correct. The stage when you've integrated here, that's correct. Substituting the limits in here, that's correct. It was just the expanding brackets at the beginning.